we start digging. Now, obviously, there are archaeologists involved, and we did have some finds of bits of old boats and old archaeological pieces of interest. But as you go down, the water that I talked about earlier is there. So how do we deal with the water? And what we did for dewatering there was a system called well pointing. So essentially, outside the perimeter of the retaining wall that we had constructed, we installed well points, which were drilled like a well, as if you were drilling a well
Hmm.
out in the countryside for water. You install a number of these well points with submersible pumps within them. Then you connect those to each other, and essentially you start pumping the water table down outside the hole that you want to dig. Once you have that control, now that's the simple explanation of it. There's a lot of technology behind
Yeah.
how that's pumped, how the water is controlled, how it's discharged, all that sort of thing. But once you have the water controlled, then you're essentially digging in the dry within the hole. And